Hi there, are you David?
Hello. Yes, I'm David. How do you know my name?
Nice to meet you, David. We met 2 years back. You remember?
No, I don't remember.
Anyway, my name is Sarah. How's your day going?
It's going pretty well, thanks.
What do you do for work?
I work as an insurance agent.
Where are you from, David?
I'm from Los Angeles.
Do you enjoy cooking?
No, I hate cooking.
Have you ever been to Europe?
No, I haven't been there yet.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I really enjoy Mexican food.
How's the weather today?
It's a bit cloudy, but not too cold.
What's your favorite book, David?
I don't like reading books.
Are you a fan of outdoor activities?
Yes, I love hiking and camping.
What's your favorite color?
I'm partial to green.
Have you watched any good movies lately?
Yes, I saw Inception recently.
What's your favorite season, David?
I enjoy the springtime the most.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
Have you been to any concerts recently?
Yes, I went to a jazz concert last month.
What's your favorite hobby, David?
I love painting in my free time.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger brother.
How long have you lived here, David?
I've been living here for 2 years.
Do you enjoy going to the beach?
Absolutely, I love the ocean.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm more of a day person.
What's your favorite holiday, David?
Christmas has always been my favorite.
What's your favorite type of music?
I'm into rock and alternative.
Do you like shopping, David?
Not really, I prefer online shopping.
How's your family doing?
They're all doing well, thank you.
Have you ever traveled to Asia, David?
No, I haven't been there yet.
What's your favorite movie genre?
I enjoy watching romantic comedies.
Do you like going to museums, David?
Yes, I find them quite interesting.
Have you tried any new restaurants lately?
Yes, I tried a new Italian restaurant.
What's your favorite type of dessert, David?
I have a weakness for cheesecake.
Do you follow any sports?
I'm a big fan of soccer.
How do you usually spend your weekends, David?
I like to relax and watch movies.
Are you into video games?
Not really, I'm not much a gamer.
What's your favorite animal, David?
I've always loved dolphins.
Do you have any travel plans coming up?
Yes, I'm planning a trip to Paris.
What's your favorite type of coffee, David?
I enjoy a simple black coffee.
Have you ever tried skydiving?
No, I haven't, but I'd like to.
What's your favorite type of flower, David?
I really like sunflowers.
How do you like to exercise?
I prefer jogging in the park.
Are you a fan of technology, David?
Yes, I'm quite tech savvy.
Do you enjoy attending parties?
It depends on my mood, but sometimes.
What's your favorite type of cheese, David?
I really like cheddar.
Have you ever been to a comedy show?
Yes, I've seen a few stand-up shows.
What's your favorite type of exercise, David?
I enjoy swimming a lot.
Are you a fan of spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy dishes.
What's your favorite type of weather, David?
I enjoy sunny days.
Do you like going to art galleries?
Yes, I find them inspiring.
Have you ever tried bungee jumping, David?
No, I haven't, but I'd like to try.
What's your favorite type of bread?
I like whole wheat bread.
Do you have any pets, David?
Yes, I have a dog named Max.
What's your favorite type of pasta?
I enjoy penne pasta.
Do you like watching TV shows, David?
Yes, I have a few favorites.
What's your favorite type of dance?
I love salsa dancing.
Are you a fan of spicy food, David?
Yes, I enjoy a little heat.
What's your favorite type of fruit?
I really like strawberries.
Do you enjoy hiking, David?
Yes, I find it refreshing.
What's your favorite type of ice cream?
I'm a fan of chocolate chip.
Have you ever been to a music festival, David?
Yes, I went to one last summer.
What's your favorite type of shoe?
I like comfy sneakers.
Are you a fan of roller coasters, David?
No, I don't enjoy them much.
What's your favorite type of vegetable?
I enjoy broccoli.
Have you ever been to a Broadway show, David?
No, I haven't had the chance yet.
What's your favorite type of exercise?
I love doing yoga.
Do you enjoy taking photographs, David?
Yes, I like capturing moments.
What's your favorite type of dessert?
I can't resist chocolate mousse.
Have you ever tried surfing, David?
No, but I'd like to learn.
What's your favorite type of music?
I'm really into pop music.
Are you a fan of camping, David?
Yes, I love spending time outdoors.
What's your favorite type of movie?
I enjoy watching comedies.
Have you ever gone snorkeling, David?
Yes, I tried it on a vacation.
What's your favorite type of bread?
I enjoy sourdough.
Do you like dancing, David?
Yes, I enjoy dancing at parties.
What's your favorite type of candy?
I really like gummy bears.
Have you ever tried rock climbing, David?
No, but I'd like to give it a shot.
What's your favorite type of tea?
I enjoy chamomile tea.
Do you enjoy gardening, David?
Yes, I find it relaxing.
What's your favorite type of cheese?
I'm a fan of mozzarella.
Have you ever tried scuba diving, David?
No, I haven't had the chance.
What's your favorite type of pizza?
I like classic margarita.
Do you like going to the gym, David?
Yes, I work out regularly.
What's your favorite type of chocolate?
I enjoy dark chocolate.
Have you ever ridden a hot air balloon, David?
No, but I think it would be fun.
What's your favorite type of sandwich?
I like turkey and avocado.
Do you enjoy skiing, David?
Yes, I love hitting the slopes.
What's your favorite type of pasta sauce?
I enjoy marinara sauce.
Have you ever tried horseback riding, David?
Yes, I tried it on vacation.
What's your favorite type of cereal?
I like honey nut granola.
Do you like going to amusement parks, David?
Yes, I find them exciting.
What's your favorite type of snack?
I enjoy eating popcorn.
Have you ever been on a cruise, David?
No, I haven't tried that yet.
What's your favorite type of flower?
I really like roses.
Do you enjoy painting, David?
Yes, I find it therapeutic.
What's your favorite type of cheese?
I'm a fan of Swiss cheese.
Have you ever been to a cooking class, David?
No, but I'd like to try.
What's your favorite type of fruit?
I enjoy eating mangoes.
Do you like going to the zoo, David?
Yes, I find animals fascinating.
What's your favorite type of coffee?
I love a caramel latte.
Have you ever tried paddleboarding, David?
No, I haven't had the chance.
What's your favorite type of pastry?
I enjoy croissants.
Do you enjoy going to the theater, David?
Yes, I like watching live performances.